Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use gamma in Minecraft. Gamma is a crucial setting that directly impacts the brightness of your game world, especially in dimly lit areas. By adjusting this value, you can significantly enhance visibility, making it easier to navigate caves or explore at night without torches. This simple tweak can dramatically change your gameplay experience, offering a clear advantage in dark environments. Let's dive into how you can modify this setting to your benefit. To begin, you'll need to locate your Minecraft options file. Start by opening your Minecraft launcher and heading over to the Installations tab. From there, find the specific game version you wish to modify and click the small folder icon that appears next to it. This convenient shortcut will directly open the game's root directory, where all its essential files are stored. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few seconds. Once you're in the game's root directory, look for a file named Options.txt and open it with a simple text editor like Notepad. Scroll through the text until you find the line that reads Gamma 1, 0. This is the default setting. To increase brightness, change the 1, 0 to a higher number, for example, 10, 0 or even 50, 0 for a significant boost. Remember, higher numbers mean brighter visuals. After you've adjusted the gamma value, make sure to save the Options.txt file before closing your text editor. Now, simply launch Minecraft as you normally would. You should immediately notice a significant increase in brightness, especially in previously dark areas like caves or during nighttime. Feel free to experiment with different gamma values, perhaps trying 25.0 or 75.0 to find what works best for your personal preference and gameplay style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.